Allow me to guide you through the creation of a traditional Japanese rice mask, renowned for imparting a luminous complexion. You will require 3 tablespoons of uncooked white rice, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Place the rice into a pot and add 1 cup of water. Boil the rice until it becomes exceptionally soft. Strain the rice, ensuring you reserve the starchy water for subsequent use. Allow the rice to cool, then mash it into a smooth, consistent paste. Incorporate the milk and honey, blending thoroughly until the mixture attains a creamy texture. Your rice mask is now prepared. Apply a generous layer to freshly cleansed skin, taking care to avoid the eyes and mouth. Rest for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse gently with lukewarm water. Utilize the reserved rice water as a toner to enhance your skin's radiance. Revel in your soft, radiant skin, and embrace this elegant tradition whenever you desire a natural, revitalizing boost. Suddenly, social media platforms are abuzz with enthusiastic acclaim for the Japanese rice mask. Viral videos depict individuals meticulously mashing rice, applying the mask with care, and unveiling luminous, radiant skin. What is the allure? The process is straightforward, cost-effective, and yields tangible, visible results. In an era defined by complex skincare regimens, this do-it-yourself mask offers a refreshing simplicity. You are fully aware of each ingredient. There are no concealed chemicals or artificial preservatives. This trend signifies a return to natural, time-honored remedies trusted by generations before us. The rice mask is far from a recent innovation. It is a centuries-old beauty secret originating in Asia. Today, social media serves as the contemporary vehicle for sharing this wisdom worldwide. We all seek authenticity and proven results, and the rice mask delivers both. It is a modest ritual with remarkable, visible benefits. It is no surprise that it has achieved viral acclaim. To truly appreciate the transformative power of rice, we must first explore its origins and beauty rituals. Let us journey back to the refined world of ancient Japan. Geishas, renowned for their immaculate complexions, relied exclusively on natural ingredients, eschewing the use of modern cosmetics. What was their secret? Komenuka, rice bran, along with the opalescent water produced from rinsing rice, became essential elements in their regimen. This nutrient-rich water was employed to cleanse both the face and hair, revealing its remarkable softening and brightening properties. Such practices reflected a culture deeply rooted in resourcefulness, transforming the humble rice grain into an elixir of beauty. Even women of the imperial court utilized fermented rice water to achieve strong, lustrous hair. Rice was integral to their holistic approach to beauty, nourishing both skin and hair alike. The geishas' unwavering commitment to rice-based treatments preserved the health of their skin beneath layers of elaborate makeup. This is far more than a fleeting trend. It is a tradition validated by centuries of practice. When we apply a rice mask today, we forge a connection with generations of women who placed their trust in this simple grain. It is an ancient ritual, not merely a modern do-it-yourself remedy. What endows rice with such remarkable efficacy for the skin? Let us examine the science behind its benefits. Scientific research provides compelling explanations. Rice water is abundant in essential amino acids, vitamins B and E, and vital minerals, all of which nourish and rejuvenate the complexion. It contains ferulic acid, a potent antioxidant that shields the skin from environmental pollutants and ultraviolet damage. Inositol, a compound present in rice, enhances cellular regeneration and circulation, imparting a radiant, healthy glow to the skin while also minimizing the appearance of pores. The natural enzymes in rice gently diminish hyperpigmentation and dark spots by moderating melanin production, resulting in a more even and luminous skin tone. It serves as a gentle alternative to aggressive chemical brightening agents. Furthermore, rice water contains allantoin, a compound renowned for its soothing properties, which calms and restores irritated or sensitive skin. It is ideal for alleviating redness, blemishes, or sun-induced irritation. With each application, you are providing your skin with restorative nutrients that repair, brighten, and protect your complexion. It is not merely a brightening treatment, it is also calming, healing, and remarkably versatile in its benefits. This is why rice is regarded as a true marvel of nature, for enhancing the beauty and health of your skin. Are you prepared to craft your own Japanese rice mask? The process is straightforward and requires only a few simple ingredients. Most of these items are likely already in your kitchen. You will require 3 tablespoons of uncooked white rice, milk, and honey. Begin by simmering the rice in 1 cup of water until it becomes exceptionally soft. Be sure to reserve the cooking water. do not discard it. Strain the rice, carefully saving the starchy liquid for later use. Allow the rice to cool and then mash it into a smooth, consistent paste. Incorporate 1 tablespoon each of warm milk and honey, blending thoroughly until the mixture is creamy. Adjust the consistency as necessary. The ideal texture should resemble thick yogurt. Commence with a freshly cleansed face, then apply a generous layer of the mask, taking care to avoid the eyes and mouth. Allow yourself to relax for 15 to 20 minutes as the mask imparts its beneficial effects. Rinse gently with lukewarm water using circular motions to provide a mild exfoliation. Pat your skin dry and take a moment to appreciate its newfound softness and radiance. As for the reserved rice water, employ it as a toner to enhance your results. This uncomplicated ritual imparts an immediate glow and promotes lasting improvements over time. No elaborate tools or complex procedures are required, only pure natural radiance. Experience it for yourself and witness the transformation firsthand. Even natural skincare masks require thoughtful attention. Here are essential guidelines to help you avoid the most common pitfalls. Always conduct a patch test beforehand, particularly if you possess sensitive skin or a history of allergies. Refrain from excessive application. Once or twice per week is entirely sufficient. Overuse may disrupt your skin's natural equilibrium. Never apply the mask to broken or irritated skin. Instead, allow the area to heal fully before use. Utilize only the freshest ingredients. Aged rice or milk may provoke irritation. Avoid preparing large quantities in advance. Without preservatives, the mask will spoil rapidly. For optimal safety and efficacy, create a fresh batch for each application. Remain attentive to your skin's needs and adjust usage frequency accordingly. Consistency and moderation are fundamental to achieving the best results. Regard this as a special ritual, rather than a daily routine. By following these recommendations, you will help ensure your skin remains healthy and radiant. Rice is not reserved solely for weekly facial masks. It may be incorporated daily as an elegant toner. Preserve any remaining rice water by storing it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Following your cleansing routine, apply the rice water with a cotton pad or dispense it as a gentle mist. This practice refines pores, balances the skin's pH, and prepares your complexion for the optimal absorption of serums and moisturizers. Each morning, be sure to conclude with a layer of sunscreen. Your refined regimen should be as follows: cleanse, tone with rice water, apply serum, and moisturize. Once or twice per week, introduce the rice mask after cleansing for enhanced results. This combination ensures continuous nourishment and a luminous complexion. Remember, skincare is an act of self-care. Savor both the ritual and the radiant results. Simple, natural, and remarkably effective. Your skin will express its gratitude. The most compelling evidence arises from individuals who have personally experienced the rice mask. These are people who have incorporated this tradition into their skincare routines. Consider Emily from Ohio, who contended with hormonal acne and persistent dark marks. After 1 month of consistent use, her complexion became noticeably clearer and softer. She ultimately regained her confidence and felt comfortable without resorting to heavy makeup. Kenji, a server from California, utilized both rice water toner and the mask to diminish sunspots and achieve a more even skin tone. His before and after photographs revealed a remarkable transformation. What was essential for both individuals? Diligence and patience throughout the process. These accounts are not isolated. Individuals across the globe are witnessing brighter, healthier complexions as a result. Busy mothers, students, and those with sensitive skin all report favorable outcomes. The rice mask is accessible, gentle, and effective for a wide range of skin types. A single grain of rice is uniting a global community in the pursuit of radiant skin. Your own story could be the next success. Consider giving it a try and observe the transformation for yourself. Allow me to summarize your journey toward luminous skin. Here's a concise checklist to guide you. The essentials include cooked white rice, milk, and honey. Gently mash the rice, blend it with milk and honey, and apply the mixture to freshly cleansed skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Reserve the rice water to utilize as a daily toner. Employ the mask once or twice per week, and always conduct a patch test beforehand. Refrain from applying to compromised or broken skin, and ensure you use only the freshest ingredients. Consistency is paramount. Incorporate the toner daily and the mask weekly. Document your progress with before and after photographs to observe your transformation over time. Meaningful change is achieved through small, consistent acts of self-care. Share your results and inspire others to embark on their own journey. attaining simple, natural beauty is well within your grasp. It is with great anticipation that I invite you to embark on your personal journey with the esteemed Japanese rice mask. This ritual transcends mere skincare. It is an act of self-respect and care, and a bridge to timeless tradition. With each application, you're connected to generations of wisdom and the enduring elegance of natural beauty. Your transformation will be both apparent and profoundly fulfilling. Our exploration does not conclude here. Japanese beauty traditions hold further secrets yet to be revealed. In our next chapter, we shall delve into sake, the renowned rice wine, and its remarkable anti-aging properties for the skin. Sake is abundant in amino acids and enzymes that hydrate, soften, and fortify the skin. Remain with us for an inspiring new narrative and a potent anti-aging treatment that you may craft in the comfort of your home. The pursuit of luminous, youthful skin continues onward. Let us discover the next chapter of beauty together. At the end of our story, we invite you to subscribe to our jbeauty channel for more DIY viral explainer videos. Join our community and never miss the latest viral trends and creative tutorials.